How to remove background noise in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now I'm gonna show you what we are working with. This one here is the original and then this one is the edited. So I'm going to play this. This is actually a recording of me with some fan on the background. So from what you have heard, the after one does not have that noise anymore, and I'm going to show you how to get that done. So we're going to work on this clip right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click the Windows, and then we're going to open the Essential Sound. So this is what we are looking at. I'm just going to click the audio, and then I'm going to enable reduce noise. So I want you to set the value here, and I'm just going to set this to 8. 10 is the maximum value, so I want you to work your way around in order for you to find the sweet spot for your clip. Now, this case, I'm just going to play this. This is actually a recording of me with some fan on the background. All right, there you go. So you can see now we have a clean audio, and that is how to remove background noise in Premiere Pro.